In the fast-paced world of logistics, time is the most valuable currency. Whether you're a freight forwarder, a logistics professional, or a business owner, efficiency and speed are crucial when it comes to accurately managing commercial arrangements. That's where data entry elimination comes in. This innovative solution is designed to streamline the data management process, allowing you to accomplish in minutes what used to take hours. With SFL's data entry and rate management solutions, you can apply or create rates in just 4 simple clicks, whether you prefer the automated or manual process. Let's explore how data entry elimination simplifies and accelerates your rate management tasks, giving you a competitive edge in today's fast-paced business environment. First, the process begins with receiving rate contracts for your shipments. Next, we create customized templates to efficiently manage your rates and contracts. With seamless integration, you can log into your preferred platform, whether it's CargoSphere, CargoGuide, or CargoWise One. Finally, you'll upload your rates to the system, ensuring smooth and accurate management for your shipments. But what about the manual process? Here's how data entry elimination offers a reliable solution. The rate sheets received after confirmation vary in format, often emailed in PDF or Excel format. Our rate management solution thoroughly examines and analyzes the various tariffs you've received. This process involves categorizing, structuring, and aligning the tariffs to create a unified and easily understandable framework. Finally, it uploads the rate sheet to CargoWise and populates the relevant fields. With data entry elimination, managing global freight rates is no longer a challenge. Say goodbye to complexities and embrace a world where 4 simple clicks unlock a realm of efficiency, productivity, and competitive advantage.